Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Udeme Hogan. For those of you that are watching my video for the first time, I'm really happy that you guys stopped by to watch my video. So today I'm going to be talking about how to increase revenue on YouTube. Yes, a lot of people come to YouTube to do a lot of things. Some people come to YouTube to get inspired. Some people come to YouTube to learn things. Some people come to YouTube to post videos and earn money. Yes, so it is really annoying when you post videos on YouTube and you are monetized on YouTube, but yet the revenue is not coming in. What should I do? Everybody asks the same questions. Yes, we ask the same question. It can be frustrating, it can be annoying, as in it's not something to joke about, it's not something to be happy about. So in this video, like I said, I'm going to be talking on 5 or 4 things on how to increase our YouTube revenue. Now let me use this opportunity to thank everybody that is always coming to my YouTube to watch my videos, people that subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome to my channel, and if you have been here before, thank you so much for always supporting me. I really appreciate you guys. So let's hop into what today's video is all about. Now the first thing to do in order to increase your YouTube earnings or revenue is, number one, always make sure to turn on multiple adverts on your videos. Make sure to turn on multiple ads on your videos. Now when you're uploading a video on YouTube, you'll notice that there are 5 adverts there. We have display ads, we have banner ads, we have skippable ads, we have non-skippable ads, and so on and so forth. So always make sure to tick the boxes. Make sure to tick the boxes when you're uploading a video. You will see that option under monetization. When you click on it, you're going to see other boxes. The adverts box will come up, so make sure to tick those boxes. Now some people don't know, you just turn on the monetization without knowing what to do. When you make sure that you turn on all the adverts on your videos, now when your videos are playing, adverts will be playing, and the more viewers you get, the more revenue you make. So guys, that's the number 1 tip on how to increase your YouTube revenue. The number 2 tips I'm going to be sharing with you is to always make sure to upload your videos regularly. Yes, always make sure to upload your videos frequently, anyhow you want to call it. Now you can't have a new subscriber on a channel that is dead. Dead meaning that for example, you post a video today and maybe in the next 6 months or in the next 1 year you come back to post a video. No, people will not be happy with that kind of channel. They're not going to subscribe to that kind of channel. Yes, and if you don't upload regularly, you're not going to earn. You have to make sure that you upload videos. The more you upload videos, the more people watch your videos, and the more it increases your YouTube revenue. So guys, the second tip on how to increase YouTube revenue is to always make sure to upload your videos regularly. It's quite important. Okay. Now, the number 3 tips I'm going to be sharing on how to increase YouTube revenue is for you to use keywords. Add keywords to your videos. Now if you notice, when I started my video, I said welcome to my channel, and today's video I'm going to be talking on how to increase YouTube revenue. That is me adding keywords to my videos. You understand? When you add keywords to your videos, for example, if somebody search for how to increase YouTube revenue, because I said it in my video, YouTube is going to bring my video under the videos that are going to pop up. So you make sure you add keywords on your videos, and also add keywords on your description. Yes, when you post a video, always make sure to add keywords on your description. How to increase YouTube revenue, how to increase your revenue on YouTube, anyhow, but make sure you use keywords so that when people search for something related to your videos, they will always see your video under the list of videos that will be coming up. And that's the number 3 tips on how to increase your YouTube revenue. Make sure to always use keywords on your videos. Now the 4th tip I'm going to be sharing on how to increase YouTube revenue is for you to upload longer videos. Yes, don't make your videos long and boring because I said you should upload a longer video. You always make sure that you upload videos 8 minutes long. Yes, why did I say so? Because in YouTube, if you are monetized on YouTube, you'll notice that if you have videos that are 8 minutes, from 8 minutes and above, you will be able to add advert on each videos. Now maybe you want an advert to play on your videos maybe after 2 minutes or after 3 minutes or after 4 minutes. You will be able to add adverts on your video. For example, 8-minute videos, divide it into 4. You can add 4 adverts on that particular video. You can add 3 adverts on that particular video. So the more adverts placed on your videos, the more it increases your revenue. But compared to a 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes videos, the advert only plays twice. The first one is before the video plays, and the second advert is after your video, the end of your video. That is when the advert is going to play, and some people don't even watch videos to the end. That is why when you upload 8-minute videos, at least 2 adverts is going to play before the viewers finish your video. So that's another tip on how to increase your YouTube revenue. So I mentioned 4 tips. Yeah, the 5th tip on how to increase your YouTube earnings is for you to always use your social media. Make sure to use your social media. Why did I say so? Because okay, you have YouTube channel, you have audience on Facebook, you have audience on Instagram, you have audience on Twitter. Now most of those audience have no idea that you have a YouTube channel. So when you post a video on YouTube, you copy the link, take it to your social media, maybe your Facebook, your Instagram, or Twitter. All you have to do is to post it. Now when you post a video on your social media handle, don't just leave it like that. You have to add a description to it, because if you don't add a description, not everybody will click on a link they don't understand. You understand? Some people might think that, oh, maybe they just scam this person and they're trying to hack us or something like that. So as a friend on social media, you make sure that you put a description saying, hi guys, I just uploaded a new video on my YouTube channel, and this video is about how to make money, easiest step on how to make money. You make sure you add description. Once they see that, they'll be fast to click on it to go and watch. And the more they watch your videos, the more it increases your YouTube revenue. So guys, those are the tips on how to increase your YouTube revenue. I hope this video was helpful to you. I hope you like my content. If you like it, all you have to do is to appreciate me by clicking on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to always get notified each time I upload a new video. You know that in this channel I post tips and useful tips. Most especially I post useful tips. So encourage me by subscribing to my channel, and thank you so much for doing that. I really appreciate. Do have a nice and beautiful day ahead of you.